Reclaim Hairline Recovery Serum. It claims to bring back that fuller hairline, supports early thinning, and comes with this fancy little roll-on applicator that's supposed to be mess-free and fast-absorbing. Sounds good so far, right? They also highlight some well-known hair ingredients like rosemary, Redensyl, Aminexil, and Anagain, and say these help nourish follicles, improve circulation, and reduce shedding. But is it actually legit? Or just really clever marketing? Let's dig in together. This one raised eyebrows. They say it's clinically tested and approved by experts, but guess what? There's no proof shown anywhere. No doctor names, no certificates, no study screenshots, not even an FDA mention. Basically, they're saying trust us, but not giving anything to back it up. That's a red flag. They throw in these bold stats like 71% reduced hair fall, 88% saw visible growth in 3 months. Sounds amazing, but when you look for details, sample size, real study, test results, there's nothing. Feels more like marketing magic than real science. And we don't buy magic, we buy proof. They do provide an email and a physical address, which is good, right? Except the address appears to be copied from another website. And if a company can't list a genuine business address, that's sketchy. Like, if you don't want people knowing where you operate from, why should we trust you? Customer reviews, too perfect to be real? On their site, they claim trusted by over 11,000 men. And the reviews? Perfect. All glowing, all happy, not a single negative one in sight. Come on. What product on earth has 0 unhappy customers? Feels polished, over-curated, almost scripted? So we decided to look outside their website. On Trustpilot, they sit at 2.9 stars, with most reviews being 1 star. Users complained about poor customer support, subscription issues, refund requests being ignored, no visible results, even after months. Some straight up called it a scam. And Reddit? People there also questioned its legitimacy. Reports of slow shipping, inconsistent ingredients, and no real improvement. Some even said they saw more shedding instead of growth. Most people advise sticking to proven treatments like minoxidil and finasteride instead. So here's the bottom line. With no verified clinical proof, questionable business info, overly perfect website reviews, and mostly negative real-world feedback, Reclaim Hairline Serum just doesn't pass the trust test. There are already trusted, clinically proven hair growth options out there, so at this point, this product, not recommended. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.